welcome back. All the big guys here today again. Day 2 of opening weekend. Are you excited?
I'm absolutely exhilarated.
I'm
so excited. I can't wait. It's going to be a brilliant day on park.
It's going to be amazing.
Do some rides.
This one's going to get some intense sliding action going on park. So yeah, we're going to start the day on Nick Street because it's obviously on one train. So
we're going to enter the park first.
We are.
Actually.
We've not got the confetti cred today, but
hey,
we've not got the confetti cred today. But we've got the rain cred instead. So we'll catch you after we get in the park and do Nick Street. We just got off a great ride on Nick Street. It was a lot of fun. I sat with Mr. Matthew Ritchie back there. Actually, some nice little pops of airtime on that. It's a nice little coaster. We are making our way over towards the big one, which unfortunately is a bit missing still. So maintenance we're gonna give out on this today because it's not opening. We're gonna do Revolution and Steeplechase. So we'll catch you after those two. So we got off of Steeplechase.
Hello.
Well, we did Rev. We did join us for Rev. It was good. Managed to get front row on that. The airtime on the way back. Sensational stuff.
It was good. It's a good ride.
And then we got to Steeplechase. How was Steeplechase?
No, I mean it was good until the end because we sort of pulled into the brakes and
so
if I didn't have that seatbelt then I would have been flying forwards.
So we went the same rail, was on the green rail, which always wins for some reason. It's faster.
We lost.
Did you lose? Oh, they've broken the streak. But yeah, Steeplechase is fun, right? Just brace yourself at the end.
Very fun ride.
So we did a cheeky little ride on Red Force. I managed to get my first ever spins on that. Got 6. Tyler, however,
Tyler was the king.
this man, 32 rolls on a Skyfall. Sensational stuff. We're gonna see what the consensus is. Some guys are gonna go off and do Passage. I want to stay in park because I don't like scary stuff because it's not a vibe. If you've seen Scarefest and stuff, I don't handle well with it. But I'm gonna go probably do Icon, which is consensus next, and catch you after my number one coaster, Icon. So, we've got 2 rides in Icon. It's still amazing, so good. But we are currently taking part of roller coaster races. Right? We have 5 rides to do. 1 family, 1 water, 1 thrill, 1 dark, all finishing on Icon. We are going to make our way over to Dora, get the worst thing out of the way, which is the water ride, because water rides are horrific. I'm with me and Leo. I'm gonna go do Dora, Relight to the bathroom, Dora Explorer. Then we're gonna make our way to Ice Blast and Derby Racer.
3, 2, 1, go! Go! Go!
So, we are back at the carousel. Ride number 2, roller coaster races. We're waiting to get on. Nobody has caught up to us yet. We've got Dora out of the way, which is going to be the longest one. The plan, we're doing this. Go to, I think, Ice Blast, Wallace, back to Icon. It's either going to be this, Wallace. We're going to check the queue. It's going to be either this. We've got 4 to do. One of the carousels. Carousel. Dark ride for Tubebacker from it. Thrill ride, which is Ice Blast. And then we've also got my number 1 Icon to be the next. So, we have just done ride number 2 of roller coaster races. We are now racing our way down to Wallace and Gromit to get the dark ride crossed off. The carousel's really nice, by the way. I quite like it. But ride 2 out of 5 completed for roller coaster races. Catch you after Wallace and Gromit. So, we just got off of Wallace and Gromit. We are currently making a beeline for ride 4 of roller coaster races, Ice Blast. Now, hopefully, this is no queue and we can make a beeline straight back for Icon. Otherwise, we're going to be stoned at last. But I think this is going to be put us first, second, at least third. So, see you after Ice Blast. So, we have done ride 4 of 5 in roller coaster races. We are now legging it back to Icon, where the race will finish at the ride exit. So, this is where we find out how we've done.
Oh dear.
We managed to get a walk on Ice Blast, so we're so lucky.
I weirdly enjoyed it,
So, this queue line is where we're going to find out.
we've won or lost.
Oh, we're in place. Fingers crossed. So, there is still a chance that we could be not last, which will be fantastic. Now, that blue coat up there, that is Joel's crew. Now, if we're on the same train, like, we could not be last. So, if we're on the same train, there's still hope. Join us after roller coaster races. It was a great little challenge by call that. It was a lot of fun. We're walking over to Big Dipper. Weekend not last. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, quick going on to Big Dipper because I've not had a chance to ride that yet. And then I don't know what the plan is, but we'll see after Big Dipper. It's one of my favourite coasters, this, so quite nice to get back on it. So we just got off of Dipper. Me and Joel's on the back wheel seat together. It was good.
Fab.
It's a lot of air, but it was
bad.
The turnaround for the return leg was especially bumpy. It was alright. Expected. A lot of food. Yeah. Looking at burgers or the food options here. See how this is, and then a lot of the rides are quieting down now, so a lot of it's just a walk on because it's still quite wet. So going to see what the plan is for after. So catch you then. Hello, and we are back after Wallace and Gromit. It was a riveting ride. I had a cheeseburger, by the way, from the Infusion burger place. It was alright. Kind of like theme park food. Just, yeah. Coasters was hit and miss yesterday as well when we went. Now Icon has got the shortest queue on it we've seen all weekend. So good. Was going to go to Avalanche, but I had a bigger queue. Did a riveting ride on Wallace and Gromit. How was it for you?
Pretty good. I'd say.
It was nice doing it while not in a race. That was quite good. So you could actually enjoy it a bit more. But it's having done the ghost train yesterday. Do ghost train? Never done ghost train. So the dark rides in here are really nice. There's some really nice set pieces. I've not done that for a long time. I was a kid when I did that last time. But yeah, going to be queuing for Icon. Are you a fan of this coaster? Yeah. I'd agree with that statement. It's one of the best. Well, it's my number one coaster. But yeah, we'll catch you after a ride on Icon. Hi guys, that is everything for today here at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. It's been everything for this weekend to be fair. It's been a great time. Great people again, a great weekend. A little bit of rainy and wet. Well, yesterday was definitely a washout. But we had a lot of fun. We got to ride my K1 Icon. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. We've got tons of stuff on the channel and tons of stuff planned to do. And wish you a very happy 2022 season.